Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the other zombie, the skinnier zombie in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this zombie, and we're gonna start out with the eye area first. So this is gonna be two mean brows, and we can add in just one check mark first. And then another one on the other side. And then now we can draw in the eyeball. So the eyeball, we're gonna come back here, or the eye socket. Just gonna draw in a little circle all the way around. And then to finish up the brow, we can just kind of follow this. Just kind of go out. Just kind of hook it back in for now. So come out. And then after this, we're gonna draw in his nose. So his nose is really easy. Just in the middle here, you make a little point. And just gonna be almost like a little diamond shape. And then before we draw in the mouth, let's draw in the side of the head first. So we're gonna continue this, come into the eye, and then just kind of come out. Draw a little bracket like that. So that's gonna be his cheekbone. So come into the eye, and then a little bracket. Okay, so ends right about there. And then let's just go ahead and finish up the skull. So we're gonna come up here. So this one's really easy, just kind of curve it around. Okay, so now we can draw in the mouth. So now that we have the width of the face, so we're gonna start out here in the middle and draw one line, smaller line, because there's gonna be a lot of these little grooves. So draw in a little angle like this, and then we're gonna continue this line, and then draw another one. And then just go all the way to the corner, and we'll stop there. So let's come back to this side. So draw a little line as if we continue this curve. Add one little groove, and then slant up. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna curve this one down. Now let's draw in the middle. So in the middle here, we can start out with one groove first. And then we're gonna draw a small little mark as if it's one big curve like this. And then we're gonna draw in more of these little angles. And I'm gonna draw one more, extend the line, one more, and then just connect that. Okay, so extend the line, one little groove, and then just connect that. Okay, so that's the mouth. And to finish up the whole chin area, so this one's easy. We're just gonna follow this curve, go all the way down. So go around the mouth and just keep going. And then one big curve, just close everything off. And then for the details on the bottom here, we're just gonna draw in some lines. So just gonna draw two like that and come across. Okay, so now let's draw in his shoulder area. So I'm gonna start back up here. Okay, so I'm gonna come down, slight little bump. And then we're gonna come into the middle. So this is gonna be the middle of his chest. Okay, and then from here, I'm just gonna draw in two little lines like this for his neck. And then for his chest area, we're gonna come back right around here. I'm gonna come out and then down. Okay, so right around here. Just a little bracket. And then we're gonna come in, so this is gonna be his chest. Okay, I know it's a little bit strange. And then now we're gonna continue with this line here. So this is gonna be, I guess, his rib cage. It doesn't really have a stomach or something. It's really odd looking. Okay, and then let's see. Let's just finish up the bottom area here and his hip. So it's gonna be really skinny. Okay, so just come out and then go out all the way to the. So this is gonna be his hip. And then we're just gonna come in and just round it off. Alright, so now that we have his body in, let's draw in his arms. So we're gonna come back up to this area here. So here's his armpit. Then his shoulder is gonna come down. Just kind of hook it all the way down. And then from the armpit, we're just gonna come in and connect that. Okay, and then for his bicep, we're gonna come in here. So it's a little bit skinnier. Just a little bracket, and then once you get to the bottom, just kind of close it off with a slight angle. Okay, and then for his lower arm, again, start here. Just kind of flare out. This one's gonna curve down, and then this one's gonna come pretty straight. So this is gonna be his wrist. And then now let's draw in the claw. So his thumb's gonna come out here. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. And then here's the inside of palm. So I'm just gonna draw one slant coming down. And then here's the back of the palm. So now we're gonna draw another finger. So we're gonna start on the inside. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna start back here. 1, 2, and then just close it off. So that's the tip of the finger. And let's draw in one more finger on the back. So I'm gonna start here. 1, 2, and just kind of go right behind the finger. And then we'll draw a little bit of a fingertip back here. Okay, so let's move on to the other side. So here's the armpit again. Shoulder coming down. Just close that off. And then his bicep, come here, right in the middle. Draw in a little bracket. And then we'll just kind of close it off with a slight angle. Okay, lower arm, come out. This one's gonna curve. This one's almost straight down to the wrist. Okay, so same thing here for his thumb. So 1, 2, and go back up. Slant down for the inside of the palm. And then here's the back of the palm. Okay, so finger 1, 2, and 3. Start back up here. 1, 2, and then go to the tip. And then same thing here. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then it's gonna show up right here. It's a little fingertip. Okay, so let's draw in. I know he's got a lot of markings, but let's just finish up his legs first, because they're pretty simple. So we're gonna start out here. It's kind of almost like a very wide bracket. Come back in here. Same thing, and then for his knee, we're just gonna draw in, just kind of connect it. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. Bracket, so use the other side for reference. Same thing here, just round it off and connect that. And then for his lower leg, it's really simple. It's gonna be kind of skinny too. So flare out and then just kind of pinch it back in. And close it off, and it's just gonna be a little dome shape. So come in, down. This one's gonna go out a little bit more. Close it off, and then we can add in, just add 3 lines for the toes. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Flare out. Come back in. It's gonna be very skinny. Close it. So same thing here. Come down, go out more on the side. Same thing, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we can add in those cool markings on his body. So let's see. Let's start in the middle, and we're gonna come down right in the middle. Just come down here first, and then let's draw in this one. So we're gonna go out. Just kind of curve it all the way around inside. And then for this one, we're gonna come back up here. And then for this one, we're just gonna draw in a little curve going back up here. And on the bottom here, let's extend it slightly, and it looks like it's kind of opens up a little bit. And let's just add in another line here just to balance things out. Okay, and then for his stomach area here, you can start a little bit off center. Just come down, circle, just kind of twirl it in. And let's see, from the corner here, I'm just gonna draw 2 more lines. Okay, and then for his upper arm here, I'm gonna start right at the point, go up, and then curl. Just gonna make it a little bit wobbly. I'm gonna add a slight line here for the muscle. And then we're gonna start here, right in this corner. I'm gonna draw a little wavy curve like this. And then we're gonna draw 2 more. So 1 on top, and then 1 right here on the wrist, just come out. Alright, so same thing on the other side. So right in the corner, go up. Again, I'm gonna add a little dotted line for the muscle. And then now in the corner here, just kind of a little bit of wave. This one's gonna go up. The wrist area just go flare out. And then for his legs, let's just draw in, let's see, it looks like it's got 1 long line coming down. So I'm gonna start here, just kind of go in and come out right through his knee. So go in, just kind of wavy all the way down to his knee. Then let's see, we're gonna start on the side here. Come in and make a little twirl. Okay, and then on the bottom here, just draw in a little line on the sides. So start on the edge and just go out back to the edge. And that is it for this zombie in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.